for me personally, there was an awful lot that was very exciting in the Oxford Myeloma Workshop. And I think that stemmed from the fact that we had a mixture of talks from different parts of myeloma research. So we had some talks about clinical trials, summarising the clinical trial landscape at the moment, new therapies, new drug approvals that are coming through. But then we also had a really sizable number of talks that were about more translational or basic scientific research. And I think the fact that we mixed all of those up together was one of the real highlights of the meeting. And in amongst all of that, we also had some patient viewpoints expressed as part of our Grill and Expert session. So the fact that we interwove all of those things together meant that we moved from discussions about clinical practice right through to novel techniques in myeloma research. And we kind of put those together and contextualized them together. And I think that was not something that's normally done, but the overwhelming feedback we've had is that the audience really appreciated that, whether they were a clinician, a scientist, or whatever their background.